questions, what would you want to know?
There's one universal question.
I have one.
You go first.
And no influence whatsoever by us. What should be the next single?
Try.
One phone call. No, hold on. Try. Hold on. It's not working.
Show them what you're made of. That is one. One feels
All right, it's simple.
One phone call.
This is my question, Mr. Richardson. It's simple. All you have to do is raise your hand per song. Raise your hand per song.
Do we have a track listing?
All right, so think about each song before you raise your hand because you can't take it back. Breathe.
Yeah, once you go once, that's it. Makes it easier.
It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13.
13. So we have 13. Going once, going twice. Sold for breathe.
13 for breathe.
14. Oh, jeez, guys. No influence. That's not fair, right? This is a fair
Management, do you want to vote?
So that was 13.
Next single?
13.
13 for breathe.
We're not deciding.
Anybody?
No, I
This
just
has
like
no
to hear.
bearing on the decision.
14 for breathe.
14
Okay,
for breathe.
show them what you're made of. Go ahead, count.
2, 3, 4.
Show them what you're made of.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22.
Holy crap. Now, you can't go twice. 21. So 21 for showing. 22 for showing. Now, the other one was permanent stain. Here we go. Three.
Permanent stain, got it down.
What else is a contender?
Love somebody. Soldier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So, in first place right now, Soldier second.
Love somebody?
Love nothing. One phone call.
Yes!
Well, that's the one phone call.
Natalie. 1, 2.
Looks like show what you're made of.
What about trust me? Trust me.
We already had 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know. For
You
trust.
just Natalie?
Alright, cool. That was
Now wait. I just want to ask the one question that I think we all want to know from all the fans.
Who's the hottest?
No.
I'm just kidding. That was a joke.
And I'm sure we'll get the answer that I'm assuming. How do you guys know on tour, when we have hotels, where we're staying before we do? How do you know?
Because of your stupid Twitter.
I'll never even tweet. Sure, boy.
And if you say one of our bodyguards are getting fired.
Yeah. If you mention any bodyguards, they're fired right now. Zito. What?
How do you know?
People who work in hotels.
This is great.
So the people who work in hotels are really dumb. And
How do you guys work in hotels, right?
hypothetically, not I've never done this, but if I was to call and ask if blah blah blah, an alias, has checked in yet,
How
and
do
I
you
could
know
get
our
transferred
alias?
to their room.
Yeah, how do you the alias part? Because I've changed mine like 6 times.
What's Bryan's alias?
It's not that.
What's Bryan's alias?